Okay, we're in a 2019 Land Cruiser 200. I've got the cushy V-line system installed for CarPlay connectivity, and I've got a caravan on the back of the car, and I've installed this switch here which will activate the camera on the back of the van at will rather than going to the menu settings. So just to show you that, all it is interrupting the positive feed to the camera, and if I go and push that button now, you'll see the screen will flash and there's the reverse camera or the backup camera, so use that on the highway. If I go and pop it in a reverse now, it defaults back to the vehicle camera, but if I then just push the audio button, it'll take me straight back to the V-line system and back to that camera, so it works an absolute treat. If I want to turn that off, I press the button again, you see the screen goes a little bit funny, and sometimes it goes back to the CarPlay, sometimes it goes back to no source selected. No real rhyme or reason on that. I'm presuming there's some sort of software-y thing there, but if I push the button again, you'll see the screen should just pop up in a matter of a couple of seconds. So I'll go ahead and push that, and away we go. So sometimes it flashes a little bit like that whilst it finds its way, but there you go. So that's installing a reversing camera switch on a 2019 LC200.